Hey everyone, this is the Trader Investor again today for my fourth video. Because of AMC, it's just been a crazy day, and the squeeze has not even really started on AMC. I digress. This video is about our overall market analysis, how the market ended, so that let's just focus on that. So this morning when I said if we have an inside day, I'm probably not trading today, that's exactly what happened. We have an inside day meaning the high and low of today is contained within the high and low of yesterday. The high is this dotted green lines you might not see, but it's a 15-minute range high of yesterday, was the high of yesterday, and the low here is this red dotted lines here, and the orange line is the close of yesterday, and price was contained within that value. So no entry for me, because I need to see potential dollar moves to the upside on either direction. And where did price go? Smack to the high of last week. This green line here is the high of last week, and because it's a thicker line than this other one, that's why I know it's last week's high, not this week's. This week's high is calculated next week. So the high of last week, I also know when I look at the this line here, the high of last week is 421.25, and price went smack there and stopped. So when we broke out of the 15-minute range, what was our target? 90 cents. Not enough for me. That's why I said inside days. I don't really care for inside days because they don't give me a target to one side or another that is significant. So as a result, no trade for me in SPY. Qs, exact same scenario. High, low, price contained within the high low. Not only that, price did not even bother to really clear the mid of the 15-minute range of Friday. It did not even bother to clear that. So it was weak to the top side, to the bottom side, really some weakness. Now as a distance, was there a potential entry when we break the 15-minute range? About $1 move here. However, for me, when I break this, the next area of trouble because of the weakness, because an inside day, are these swing points, right? This turning points. So not enough distance to that turning point, and then not enough opportunity. If this, once this bar was made, if price had retested this and gone down here, it would have been better, because we have a retest, we have cleared this area. So if we had cleared this, beautiful, I would have attempted, at least I know the target is this zone that I have marked here, is these lows that I can expect to target, but we didn't get that kind of an entry. We just got just one push down and then a small reversal and just kept pushing down, so no entry in the Qs for me. IWM, I have that long swing position, and I was looking for a potential entry, but everything, even though it's not an inside day, today was not an inside day in IWM. However, we made a high, that's where we started, and price kept pushing down and wanted to dance around yesterday's close, yesterday's high. That's where it danced around. So it's not a true inside day because we broke out of the high, but for the most part, and not only that, we did not close on a 15-minute bar basis. We did not close anywhere near or above the high or below the low of yesterday. So truly, it's, for all practical purposes, it's another inside day. So no trade for day trading for today. Diamonds, similar scenario, and diamonds, they do not even have the power to go all the way to the 15-minute range of yesterday. They had really some weakness, and we can go back and find some support and resistance why they stopped here. There are some areas that we can look at, but you see, I can draw it just for your learning, but basically what I was looking for is when we break out of this, my first sign of trouble is the 15-minute range low of yesterday. If we break that and retest it, which we did a couple of times, do I have a dollar move to the mid-range of yesterday, right? This is what I was going to target, but it wasn't a dollar enough for me, so I just felt like, because I don't really care for inside days, I wasn't going to enter this. And when I look back, it's a good thing I did not enter this position, because it also stopped before it hit these highs made a few weeks ago. So it's always good to take a look at where could price turn when it's an inside day. When it's not an inside day, price has momentum, it will crush that anything on its way and just keep driving. But for today, that's not what it wanted to do. So it was another inside day, so no trade for me as well in the diamonds. That's all right. We don't have to trade every day. We just want to make our trades be more precise. Therefore, our win to loss ratio becomes significant and gives us that consistency. Consistently winning, not consistently trading, if you understand what I'm saying. Because it's not about in and out every day. It's about in and out. When we have the right setup, we take those setups. If the setup is there and you don't take it, then that's a mistake, right? If the setup is there, we take it. If there's no setup, we don't force it. So the chart will tell us, I give you a signal, we take it. The chart says, I don't give you a signal, or I pretend to give you a signal, we skip it. If your gut says, I don't feel about this trade, you skip it. So that's how we trade. That's how we look at charts. So today, there was no day trade for us available based on my criteria. All right, everyone. I will see you tomorrow morning when we will take a look at AMC and some of the other high-flying short squeeze stocks, and also do an analysis of where the markets want to open and if there will be any buying opportunities for tomorrow. All right, everyone. Take care, and I'll see you in the morning.